there, it's Alex from WTI. Have you always wanted to make your own stickers? Well, I've got the product that's going to help you do it. It's the Cricut Printable Vinyl. So what's great about this product is that you can make all kinds of cool stickers and labels. If you're into labeling, man, you're gonna love this printable vinyl. I like to make stickers to put on cards that I give out to my friends and family. You can also decorate your laptop, your cell phone. Really cool ideas. I'm gonna show you what I just did, and you're just gonna think it's the cutest thing ever. So here on my design space, I inserted some print then cut images. I'm gonna print them off, and then I'm gonna cut them on the Cricut machine. The black border is printed on the vinyl, so the Cricut Maker knows where to cut. I just printed these off on my regular printer. You don't need a fancy printer, just any kind of printer will do. And I printed off these adorable little stickers. And I just think they're so cute. So I print them off. I put this now into my Cricut Maker behind me here. It reads this black border so that it knows exactly where to cut out your stickers. So I just pull it off there like that, and I've got a cute little sticker. So as you can see, it was really easy to peel off. I'm gonna try to pop it back on there, so I wanna use it for later. And you've got a full page of stickers. The sky's the limit on what you could do with all these amazing ideas on the Cricut design space. Like I said before, the labels, if you're a labeler, you're gonna go nuts for this product. And that's my point of view.